Hello guys, Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I'm gonna show you how to very easily and quickly convert an HEIC image from your iPhone to a JPEG or a PNG image on your Mac. Okay, so this is super simple, and you don't have to go online to find any weird converter or anything, or just install the apps, nothing. It's super simple. So first thing, we of course need an HEIC image from your iPhone. I'm gonna use this one, and what we will do is just right click it, go down below into quick actions and say convert image. Then here we will be asked if we want to convert it to JPEG, PNG or HEIF, which is basically the HEIC image, the format. And in this case I'll just say PNG, and then we have to select the image size. So we can say medium, large, or the actual size in this case, so we don't lose anything. We'll just say actual size. Then we do get asked if we want to preserve the metadata. I suggest this one. It will just preserve the location, time it was shot, all of those data will present. We'll just say convert to PNG, and that's it. You can rename it or just leave the same name, which is what I will do, and that's it. So as you can see, it's super simple. Again, if you want to convert it to JPEG, instead of selecting PNG, you will select JPEG, and that's it. That's everything, literally everything. But yeah, if you found this tutorial helpful, please thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer. Of course, I'm no expert, but if I can help, I'll try my best. Also, if you like Apple, please consider subscribing, because I upload Apple-related videos, and you can also follow me on Twitter for just random Apple comments, or on Instagram where you can see my reels. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.